Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we got the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s. I know there wasn't a live cop for them because online sucked. Whatbot didn't work for me at all. It crashed, and then yeah, I was like, it's pointless to upload. So now we're here, and yeah. So normal Jordan 1 box as usual. This is the grade school. And I don't know about you guys, but these are not my favorite. So here's the grade school ones. Very shiny toe box. I mean, it's like hard leather. It's like weird. And this is supposed to represent like shattered glass, which I think they did a good job of, and I'm not too like scared of like new ideas or anything, but I don't know, these just aren't it for me personally. But yeah. So the grade school one, and I'll grab a men's real quick here. I ended up getting 6 pairs or 5 pairs in store, I think. 5 actually, yeah. 5 pairs in store from raffles and all that, but none were really good sizes, good for resale. They come with orange laces also, by the way. This is a really cool shoe for Halloween, if you guys want to take like cool fit pick or something. But here's the men's pair, size 11. I got a size 11, a 10, and then 2 6.5s and a 7. Yeah, 5 pairs. I was supposed to have another 7, but they ended up backdooring it, so I should have a Fearless now, guaranteed. But yeah, guys, these are pretty crazy, I would say. Definitely a all-out like stunt with an outfit shoe. Like, this is very loud. The sole is like not normal white. It's like kind of tinted. It kind of looks like an old pumpkin. But yeah, these are pretty dope in my opinion, but at the same time, definitely won't wear them. Maybe like a fit pick or something, but definitely not on a regular basis. Plus I didn't get my size, so yeah. And the Nike Air is also orange. But for the Shattered Backboard colorway, for what they did, I think it was really unique. I would say this is definitely better than like not retroing, but like just reusing the normal Shattered Backboard colorway and then doing something stupid like a patent, or I mean, this is basically patent, to be honest, but they didn't call it patent. Something stupid, I don't know. What else have they done dumb? Oh, satins. I mean, it's good for resale, but like, I don't really know. It's hard to rock, in my opinion. I just like my normal leather, but yeah, that's really it for these Shattered Backboard 3.0s. Yeah, I've been grinding Modern Warfare like ridiculously. I don't know if any of you guys have tuned into my streams, but this new Call of Duty is pretty sick, and I am top 600 in the world right now. So I've been kind of going ham, and I'm doing pretty good. I'm already almost level like 50, so shit, dropping this shit everywhere. Okay, there we go. But yeah, if you guys want to tune into the streams, make sure you guys do that. I do stream on Twitch because I know some people don't like the Call of Duty YouTube videos, so da-da-da. But I might start uploading a few Call of Duty hit videos here and there of just if I go off or some shit, because I know, I mean, it is my channel. I do love Call of Duty, and I know some people do like it, but for the people that don't, that's okay. You don't have to watch. Twitch.tv/Gavin Cooks if anybody does want to watch me stream this game. I am grinding all the time. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Gavin or BornHype. Check out the sponsors, join the Discord in the description, and ask me any questions if you want in there. And yeah, hopefully Supreme this week is good, so we have a cool live cop. Gonna have hopefully a live cop on Fearless. I just didn't have one because there was no point. It was like a 10-minute video, and it went like that, and it was just an L, so there's really no point uploading that. I didn't want to upload shit content, so yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Gavin or BornHype, guys, and I'm out. Peace.